Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going to be going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today we're going to be going over something super quick. We're going to be going over how to make your text curved in case you have to wrap it around something or match it with a shape that's there. So to start, I've just chosen a color in the background just to make this look a little bit more appealing. And I'm going to go and I'm going to select my T for my text tool. With that selected, I'm just going to select on the page and I'm just going to write curved text just for the fact of doing this. Curved text. Now it's super small. That's okay. We're going to select this and we are just going to make this a lot larger. Bam. And now I've got my curved text. Now it's not actually curved, it just says that. I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to select the warp option. With warp selected, you're going to go and you're going to choose one of your different options. You're going to select style, and there's lots of different flavors of how you can do this. I'm just going to select arc just because it's the most straightforward one. Depending on what you want to do, you're going to adjust and alter for whatever it is that you need. You can adjust the height, you can kind of adjust the distortion to figure out if it's kind of like bending or twisting around something at the edges, or you can intense your bend or make your bend a little bit less or invert it to ultimately create your curved text. Now if it goes off the screen like mine does, just press OK, select your mouse and drag it all the way down. So that way you can see this is how our curved text ends up looking. And with that is really all there is to it. It's a really straightforward tutorial on using this and going through this process. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.